Hi everyone, I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I've been setting into my new craft room. Anyway, we're doing this today on a shirt for a happy couple. We are going to do 2 of them. I've already cut it and I've already weeded one before I realized I forgot to start the video. So we're going to weed the other one together. So I'll put this one over here. Oh, maybe I'll put it over here. And I'm going to put you down here. We're using the new vinyl from Michaels Make It vinyl. It's actually, I was kind of hesitant. You don't get a whole lot in the roll, but it weeds super, super easy. And it feels nice. It feels like a silky feeling, if that makes any sense to you. Most vinyls, you can tell what they are by the feel of them. This is a stretchy vinyl, which is nice, because then it'll move with their movements. And, you know, 10 years, 2 kids later, these people will be moving around. So we're just going to see how easy that is, just peeling. I'm not even worrying about it because, well, I've already peeled one, so I kind of know. But it's just like butter. That's it. It's peeling like you would slice butter. It's so easy to peel. So we will finish this, and then I'm going to pause the video so that I can get the heat press, which I don't have an actual big heat press. I only have the smaller one that I have to literally press on. So I don't have a clamshell on. It's next. I've managed to secure a spot in my studio here so that I will be able to do a clamshell. So we will be able to do that next. So yeah, we're just peeling all the little stuff out. I do have my big light on so that I can see all the little spots, because that's one thing I still need to do in my studio, is put in some proper lighting. But yeah, my Cricut lamp is awesome and gives me yet another reason to use it. And that's what it's for, right? So, as you can see, I'm almost done. I don't know why I keep doing that, because I do have one of these, but my darling cousin bought me. For some reason today, I'm insisting on doing it this way. I don't know why. There we go. So I think we have it all. So let's flip it over and check it. Make sure it's all unweeded. It looks good. Now we're going to place this heart. So let me put you back down while I do that. So what I do is I place a trim around my heart so that I don't have as much carrier sheet attached to it. I'm going to place this down on there, and then I am just going to place it. Now I want, because it's a couple, I want to make sure they're both in the exact same place. Oh, and look at that. They are both in the exact same place. Wow. Couldn't have planned that any better. So then I press it down so that it's on the carrier sheet. So that when I press it, I'm only pressing once, and I'm not going to be pressing twice. So I'm going to pause you for a minute while I go and get my heat. Okay, so we are all set up, and I have pressed it, made sure that it's all good. So we have our decal, and I'm going to make sure that it's in dead smack center. looks good. And we are pressing at 305 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds, but I always press more than 10. Add some pressure to it. This is the boring part. This is the part where, well, not boring. It's just where, you know, it takes a few minutes. Press the whole thing. I really have to get my clamshell so I can put it on my desk here. And well, actually I have a cart to put it on in the corner. So that it is done. So I like to really make sure these are pressed. And when I press them, I like to make sure that I can see fibers. If I can't see fibers through the vinyl, then I know I haven't really pressed hard enough. Because I don't want any client to be disappointed, or to call me and say, it's coming off after one wash, because it shouldn't. I always recommend you wash them inside out and don't put them in the dryer. Some people do and have had good luck. I mean, I'm one of those people, but I'm also the person that makes them, so I know it's okay. So that has been pressed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over and press it again from the other side. You know, so I always give it a good press from both sides when you're using this type of press. A clamshell, I probably will do it. Just because I like I said, I like to make sure, right? So I know where it is. I can see it. We can, sorry if you can hear my child. He's in the other room behind a closed door and a wall, but he tends to be a little loud. I mean, it's because they're playing video games. And we will turn it over. Oops, I can turn it over properly. And I always double check as I'm peeling. This is a hot pour peel, so I don't have to wait until it cools. But I still want to make sure that I am peeling it properly. So I always hold it down, because you know, the vinyl is still really warm. I don't want to be pulling it, and that heart still has its carrier on it. Ooh, I should have my glove on. I don't know where my glove is right now. So yeah, if you're doing this at home, please use a glove. And there we go. That one is off. Peel this off. And there we are. There we have it. Let me turn you around here so that you can see it. We still do 10 years later. Pretty cool, right? So anyway, that is the shirt. I'm going to go ahead and press the second one for them and package it and deliver it. I hope everyone's enjoyed this video. Please like, follow, comment. Let me know what you think. Anyway, have a great day. Happy Sunday.